Another marine warning.
The National Weather Service is special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay, Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor, until 6:15 p.m.
Also, we have an SVR for York County, which is pretty close to WNG, but not quite.
West of Fort Smallwood State Park, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel.
Locations impacted include
Fort Smallwood State Park, Parsons Island, Pinehurst, North Point State Park, Hartmiller Island, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Towchester Beach, Back River, Greenberry Point, Miles River, Love Point, Sandy Point State Park, Baltimore Light, Severn River, Mattapique, Chesapeake Bay Bridge.
Let me check the reception on this.
Move to Safe Harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
10 to 15 knots.
The following